Hello everyone, this is Flak 88. Welcome to the Flak Tower. This is Operation Hercules 8.3. Just some quick housekeeping from Knights Templar. He did place a fortification on the Atlantic Wall, and he will be removing that because he did not have units on those territories from the beginning of the turn. So, jumping right into income increase. It is January 1940. Find a dice here. So here's a D12. And that is an 11. Right on. Beautiful. Alright. Straight into text. I should have left this over here. Alright. Advanced Mechanized Infantry. That is a 7, that is success. We'll go to stage 2. Get this all in here. Advanced Artillery. And that is a 9, that will go to stage 2. And what do we got? Improved Factories. That's a 6, that's a miss. Too bad. Jet Fighters. And that is a miss, and we have 1 extra tech roll for Molotov Ribbentrop. 4 rockets, and that is success. So we will add a marker. Oops, I don't have any markers. Strategic rocket, stage 1. Nope. Yep, that is correct. That's a 9. So awesome. Right into buys. A little note from Global War Enthusiast. I'm going to try to list my buys out like Panzer J. So I'm buying 1 artillery for 4, 1 AA for 4, that's 8, 1 fighter for 10, and that brings us to 18. We will be saving 20. One note, I did forget to collect $1 from East Poland last turn, so it brought me from 37 back to 38. So that's where that extra buck in the savings to 20 comes from. Real quick, I'm only doing 1 combat movement. It is that final annexation of Lithuania. So this infantry is walking over. We'll remove this militia. We will collect that buck separately. Outstanding. We'll move this up 11 since we're here to 44. Super. Alright, pile of non-combat movements. I just took that over. So here we go. Cavalry from Stalingrad, 1-2 into Turkestan. And infantry from southern Ukraine into eastern Ukraine, and whatever that zone is there. These units from East Poland are going right into Kiev, 1-2. Infantry from East Poland to West Ukraine, 1. These units from Lubinsky, 1-2 into Smolensk. Infantry from Lubinsky, southern Belarusia. Light armor from Palencia into 1-2 into Smolensk. Light armor from, what is that, Estonia? Estonia into Leningrad. Here we go. Aircraft from Leningrad into Moscow. Light armor from Finland, 1-2 into Western Russia. And 2 infantry from Finland into Leningrad. Outstanding. Knights Templar made sure to point out that I missed out on taking Lapland. It's a little video that Madman Dan did. If you are at wartime income as Soviets, you can take Lapland and then Viipuri and then sign the Soviet or the Moscow Peace Treaty. So a little V4 learning curve there. Awesome. Last thing, I'm going to rail this artillery from Moscow all the way to Primorsky Krai, like so. Awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead and place artillery in Moscow, anti-aircraft gun in Moscow, and fighter in Moscow. Awesome. So let's go ahead and do recruitment roll for Mongolia. Need a 4 or less. And that is an 8, that is a miss. We will collect 44 plus our 3 for Molotov Ribbentrop. So here's our 44 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. That gives us, what do we got? 60. 4, 5, 6, 7. $67 to spend. Next turn. Do a quick disposition. I added an artillery from Moscow to Primorsky Krai. I walked a cavalry from Stalingrad to Turkestan. And we have 2 motorized light armor in Kiev, 2 motorized and 2 light armor in Smolensk, 1 infantry in southern Belarusia, western Ukraine, Turidia, eastern Ukraine. We have 2 infantry and a light armor in Leningrad. We have 4 fighters, a tactical and an air transport artillery fighter, and a AAA in Moscow. That should be all I have. Thanks for watching, everyone. A little bit quicker turn.